Welcome back to another video. It's your boy D.
And I'm Jay. And this video, he gonna be washing my hair. So
basically, she's gonna show y'all her natural hair.
This is me and my natural habitat.
Colored hair wash routine.
Yeah.
So we got some
product.
Coconut oil.
My shampoo and conditioner. Yeah, I just started using this. This is the main choice, and the stylist that cut my hair, she turned me on to it. It's a good product so far.
So no color treatment today?
Yeah, I typically use colored treatment shampoo, but I only been doing it like once every 2 weeks because I dyed my hair.
Oh, so it's not an everyday thing. Every time you wash thing. Oh, okay.
No. But yeah, so sometimes I'll add in the color treatment shampoo and conditioner, but today it's just gonna be a simple wash and deep conditioning.
Might be like a little 2-part video.
A touch of coconut oil. But yeah.
And you're gonna be recording on twisting your hair?
Oh yeah, so I'm gonna do some finger coils afterwards because natural hair is a lot, and lately I just been twisting it and just leaving it like that, but I just took it down. It was curlier earlier, but yeah.
Yep.
Stay tuned.
Let's get to the sink.
Yep.
Right now.
All right, guys. So welcome back, and we're about to start. He's gonna tell y'all how he washed my hair step by step. Hopefully he don't kill me.
Yes, sir. Step 1. Gotta detangle this net.
Ow.
But it's it's not nappy, it's just the curls locking up. Well, I guess it's nappy then, huh? But yeah. So get it wet. Ain't too hot for you. First you gotta make sure the water ain't too hot though. You feel me? Get off in now. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Get it right. See, look, fingers getting stuck. Yes, sir. Alright, so as y'all can see, it's all tangle free. I can rub my fingers through it freely. Yes, sir. So we're gonna take it back under. Wet up a little bit. Get your coconut oil.
They tell him what he.
It got too hot, it got melted up. It's supposed to be hard, but pour a little bit on there. Yes, sir. Tim, put a little water on. Size it in. I don't like leaving this in too long though.
Alright, step 3. You know you gotta put the shampoo in, massage it.
Regular shampoo. Yes, sir. Get it right.
Make sure you get enough in there. Don't forget about the front.
Got you, baby. Trust me. Gotcha.
This stuff smells so good. Oh my god.
Make sure you scratch a little bit, get it, lather it up. Get that out the way. Yeah, it's just so good. I'm about to switch.
Now back to what I was doing before I was rudely interrupted by the ghost. So yeah. Make sure you get the whole head, dog. A little scratch. A little massage. Yeah. You rinse it out. Make sure you get it all up in there, all in the scalp, all that good stuff. Squeeze it out. Now it's time for the conditioner. How long you be letting that sit in there?
30 minutes. 30
Put the shower cap on. You made it sit. Yeah, put conditioning, rubbing. Yes, sir. Rub a little bit. And after that, you wash it out. Call it a day. Voila. What? The water was trying to go in my mouth. So you need to do it.
It's bad. There you go.